Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. Today we have the Mercedes S65 AMG long wheelbase with a gorgeous matte diamond white color. It has a V12 engine with over 630 horsepower. So in this video I will show you the exterior, interior, and you will listen to the sound. So let's start with the front of the car. The Mercedes AMG S65 630 horsepower. The S65 AMG has an amazing design for the engine. It is a 6-liter V12 and it has a top speed of 300 km an hour. An iconic Mercedes S-Class grille with large AMG bumpers, special for the V12 model. This is the key. It has the AMG emblem, and on the back side the Infotainment AMG emblem. So let's unlock the car and we will have a look at the exterior in full detail. A beautiful diamond white matte color with large AMG front bumpers in carbon and a large Mercedes S-Class grille with horizontal lines. The night vision camera, a closed part for the Distronic Plus, and the AMG emblem. On top of the hood it has the iconic Mercedes star. So let's move over to the side of the car. The rims, blacked out. It has the AMG carbon ceramic brakes with a 255/40 20-inch size. Great Mercedes star. On the side it has the V12 bi-turbo emblem and carbon side skirts. Also a carbon side mirror, and the rear tires, they are a little bit larger, 285/35 20-inch. Also beautiful orange ceramic brakes. The rims are blacked out and the Mercedes star sticks out. The V12 model really stands out from the rear. It has large square-like exhaust tips with chrome parts. The double squared tips are skewed and it has an AMG emblem on the top. An amazing diffuser with LED lights for reverse. S65 Mercedes star, and on the other side the AMG emblem. So let's have a look at the interior. It has the keyless entry, so I will put the stylish key in my pocket and I will unlock it with my hand. And it has a beautiful interior with the new AMG steering wheel and a large door. Nice seats with leather stitching, an AMG emblem and perforated. So guys, it has soft closing doors. It has a beautiful interior, the new S-Class facelift, and this being the S65 with a V12 makes it very special and unique. I have the key right here with the Infotainment emblem on the back side, and I will just leave it at the storage compartment and let's press the button. AMG. And as you hear the music, the Burmester surround sound system will flip. There are many different ways to adjust the seats. You have your leg extensions, your back and the headrest, down and up, the IWC Schaffhausen watch with the carbon dash, with two large cup holders at the center console. Furthermore, some storage space, a wireless charger for your phone and USB slot, passenger storage space for some papers and the perfume setting. You can see the Rolls-Royce through the night vision of the Mercedes S-Class, and it has a full digital screen with the new Mercedes AMG steering wheel, flat bottom, AMG emblem and half Alcantara with leather stitching and two vertical lines, and the center part also has stitching. With the left part you can operate the screen in front of us, with the right the infotainment system. So let's press the home button and you can swipe. It says AMG V12, as well as on the bottom right corner V12 bi-turbo. So let's swipe to the right and I will show you the heads-up display. You can change the position and it has the button right here to activate it. So let's press it and it's on the reduced display form. So let's go down to brightness all the way up and what it should contain. So I will put it on the AMG style. Now you can also change the position up or down, and that's the right spot. I really like this steering wheel, so let me know in the comments what you think of it. Let's swipe to the left to the AMG V12. Here you can see the boost, the temperature. On the right you can change it to, for example, navigation. On the left we can go down to G-force, boost, temperature. So let's start the engine. It also has swipe buttons for the infotainment system. So let's press the home button again and it will give you these fast key options. You also have it here at the center console. The navigation, radio, media, telephone and the vehicle settings. So let's swipe and you will press the vehicle settings. This is the engine data. This shows you the horsepower and newton meters. It also has the dynamic data for the G-force. And you also have 64 different ambient lighting colors. Very large doors. The seat is in my driver's position, so you can see with this long version it has a lot of knee room, and for headspace it's also very decent. The total length is around 5 meters and 25 centimeters. You can also make the seats lay down all the way with this passenger side, and you can control the seat in front of you. The headrest goes down and you can make the seat move all the way up, so you have a lot of leg room. And as it is all the way forward, it will give you a couch for your feet. It has the multimedia system, so if I press on it says here AMG, and it has a lot of options. The Burmester surround sound system, full package with carbon trim and massage function, and an affordable AMG emblem at the seat in front of me. with a remote to call and control the multimedia system. Some cup holders and large panoramic roof in 2 parts. And you can close the sunshade at the side. The sunshade at the rear and for the panoramic roof. Amazing car, guys. So let's move it all back in position. The couch for your feet, the seat, put it down, the headrest comes back up and it's moving towards my knee. So let's have a look at the trunk space. It has a lot of trunk space, expect around 500 liters, and it doesn't have a fridge, so it isn't reduced. Let's close it and we will have a look at what's under the hood of this beast. The S65 AMG has an amazing design for the engine. It is a 6-liter V12 which produces 630 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 km an hour in just 4.3 seconds, and it has a top speed of 300 km an hour. So thanks for watching MercBenzKing, guys. I hope you liked this video and I will see you next time. Bye bye.